Hey there Candy Crush lover, ever tried sneaking in a game during class, work or late night binge? But the game goes ding ding, embarrassing right? Well, I have got your back. Today in this video, I'll show you how to turn off music and sound in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open the Candy Crush Saga app on your mobile device. Make sure you are on the main screen. Don't worry, we are not crossing anything yet. Once you are in the main screen, look at the top right or left corner of your screen. There's a little gear icon. That's your setting. Once you find it, tap it like you mean it. Boom, you'll see two switches, music and sound effect. Just tap each one to turn them off. They will go from colorful to grey, which means sweet silence. Now you can crush candy on down low without waking the house, alerting your boss or blowing up your cover during the Zoom call. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can turn off music and sound in Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.